Henan Renewable Energy Technology Co., Ltd. As China's leading supplier, it develops closer customer relationships and taking on a larger role in the total supply and manufacturing chain. We are a team of professionals committed to being the premier equipment supplier. Our customers come first. We listen to our customers, understand their needs and deliver the equipment with the features and customizations that they want. Our diverse products include e-waste circuit board recycling line, aluminum plastic separation and recycling line, waste cable wire recycling line, precious metal sorting and refining production line, waste radiator recycling line, waste tire recycling line, waste lithium battery recycling line, waste photovoltaic panel recycling line, PCB dismantling machine, double shaft shredder, single shaft shredder, hammer mill crusher, knife crusher, airflow separator, electrostatic separator, pulse dust collector, and so on. The popularity of our waste recycling equipment and solutions have been growing. So far, we have exported to more than 30 countries, such as Europe, Asia, Africa, South America, Middle Eastern countries, and so on. Our export expertise includes securing the most economical ocean railroad freight rates for our customers within our customer's delivery timetable utilizing various carriers via ocean or railroad. When your order is placed, our goal is to deliver it on time and lowers cost. As a leading manufacturer, our factory design and customize various solutions for many foreign trade enterprises and manufacture and supply for them. Our maxims are uncompromising quality, outstanding customer service, and operational dependability. Our products stand behind over 20 years of expertise. This lifetime of experience contributes to our application-oriented innovation, high-tech production, and outstanding service and logistics performance. At the same time, we have a professional after-sales technical team, 24 hours online consultation and on-site solution.